human inner consciousness and machine outer consciousness. Broadly speaking, consciousness can be divided into plant consciousness, animal consciousness, human inner consciousness, and machine outer consciousness. Of course, strictly speaking, in a narrow sense, only human inner consciousness possesses true consciousness at present. The fundamental difference between humans and animals lies in humans' possession of moral concepts and pursuit of meaning. Human behavior does not follow the inevitable law of causality, but rather follows the law of motivation. The reason for mentioning machine outer consciousness is that electronic products, such as mobile phones, have now become our electronic organs, inseparable and capable assistants that help us store, remember, search, and even think. Next, we will focus on discussing the differences and connections between human inner consciousness and machine outer consciousness. Human inner consciousness, also known as awareness, is a subjective and deep-seated self-cognition and experience, encompassing complex psychological activities such as rational logic, subjective experience, emotional fluctuations, self-cognition, memory, intuition, and creativity. It is a unique hallmark that distinguishes humans from other organisms, enabling humans to reflect on themselves, judge values, understand others, and establish complex networks of relationships in society. This inner consciousness is both a perceptual projection of the physical world and an autonomous construction and subjective cognition of the spiritual world. The external consciousness of machines, on the other hand, is a consciousness tool constructed by humans through algorithms and data, representing a technological extension of human programming of consciousness activities. Based on the external manifestation of algorithms and data processing, machines exhibit certain intelligent behaviors by simulating human thought processes, such as pattern recognition, decision-making, and language comprehension. The core of external consciousness lies in its logicality and precision, breaking through the physical limitations of the human brain and reconstructing the path of knowledge production, expanding the dimensions of perception and decision-making boundaries with massive information processing capabilities, but lacking true self-awareness, subjective experience, and emotional core. The relationship between human inner consciousness and machine outer consciousness can be viewed as one of complementarity and synergy. Human inner consciousness provides the foundation for the design and development of machine outer consciousness, such as by simulating human thinking patterns through programming and algorithms, and gradually relinquishing some cognitive functions in technological iteration. Conversely, machine outer consciousness expands the capability boundaries of human inner consciousness, for instance, by assisting humans in making more precise decisions through data processing and analysis, and continuously approaching the boundaries of consciousness through human-machine interaction. In the future, will machines be able to possess autonomous consciousness, and how should the boundaries between humans and machines be defined? When machines acquire neural signals through brain-computer interfaces or simulate consciousness streams through quantum computing, is the subjectivity that humans pride themselves on undergoing unprecedented deconstruction and reconstruction. I am Wu Huaiyu, a PhD from the Chinese Academy of Sciences and a postdoctoral fellow from Peking University and the founder of AI philosophy.